Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect it to your iPhone. Step 1. Make sure your car supports Apple CarPlay. Check your vehicle's manual or contact your dealer to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 7.1 or later. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update to check for updates. Step 3. Enable Siri on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Siri and search, and toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. Step 4. For wired CarPlay, connect your iPhone to your car's USB port using an Apple-certified Lightning to USB cable. Step 5. Your car's display should automatically detect your iPhone and prompt you to set up CarPlay. Step 6. On your car's display, select the option to enable or use CarPlay. Step 7. For wireless CarPlay, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone in the Settings app. Step 8. Press and hold the voice command button on your steering wheel or select the CarPlay option on your car's display to activate wireless pairing mode. Step 9. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Step 10. Select your car from the list of available vehicles and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. Step 11. Once connected, the CarPlay interface will appear on your car's display, showing your apps and navigation options. Step 12. Use the touchscreen, steering wheel controls, or Siri voice commands to control CarPlay features while driving safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.